At 2 in the morning, Christmas came quietly, not with laughter, not with sleep, but with a dream of exile and a prayer that would not leave me. I woke on Christmas morning with a shadow in my chest, dreaming I was sent away from the land where I had built my nest. Not to Haiti, not to home, but somewhere across ancestral seas, where I was teaching, still useful, still standing with dignity. 43 years I walked this road with working hands and scholar's fire. I washed the plates, I drove the night, I climbed through hunger toward desire. Memory over amnesia, conscience over cruelty, forgiveness grounded in truth. Let the child of Bethlehem see. Men que m'a crié
pour immigrant
pour Haiti.
Lumière dans fait noir,
Vérité nan doulé,
bon Dieu pardonné.
men n'a songé.
I came as one who had to flee from Duvalier's iron hand. Some died behind the prison walls, some vanished
Crossing sea and sand,
to flee a home with no shore bed. It's not a journey made for fun, it is a wound inside the soul.
a night without a rising sun.
Nous songer,
Nous songer,
nous songer,
nous songer,
ça y est fait,
nous passer,
nous passer,
nous passer,
nos camper,
nous chanter.
oh,
Vérité pas jamais mourir.
I became a citizen, a father, teacher, builder too. I gave my labor, gave my years, and still the
Question cuts me through.
are we welcome?
Are we human?
Are we human?
Are we neighbors?
Are we free?
Are we free?
Or only shadows in the story
Of a land with memory.
Santa should not carry chains, Christmas should not wear a badge, innocence should not be armed to turn compassion into ash.
Memory over amnesia,
Oh yeah,
conscience over cruelty,
cruelty.
forgiveness grounded in truth.
There.
Let the child of Bethlehem see.
Oh, Noël arrive
Men que m'a crié
pour immigrants yo,
pour Haïti.
lumière dans fait noir,
Vérité nan doulé,
bon Dieu pardonné.
men n'a songé.
I can write,
I
I
can write,
can speak,
I can speak,
I can multiply the flame,
but
machines cannot give conscience to a heart that feeds on blame. If the future,
has no mercy,
if the border,
has no soul.
then the poor become the target.
When the powerful lose control,
I voted, I believed, I argued,
I argue,
I walked through contradictions door. Now I kneel before the mirror
and I ask what truth is for.
to admit error is not weakness, it is adulthood of the soul. When the warning
Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. But let us remember, let us build, let us teach, let us sing.
Scientia, innovation, humanitas.
Oh,
Memory over amnesia,
conscience
over cruelty,
forgiveness grounded in truth,
source note,
adapted from open